Hi there, I'm John from CNCKing.com, and today we're going to make a Custom Noid Award. The unique aspect about CNCKing.com since the beginning is that we could literally do anything out of anything using custom materials and designs and shapes and sizes. What that means is if you wanted, let's say, this corporate award of the Noid here to be 6 feet tall, we can make that just as easily as the little one that you see right here. Now, this was laser engraved, as you can tell. It was cut on the edges here and laser engraved here for the contrast. So there's no paint, there's nothing that's going to chip or fade over time. It's literally just charcoal and the regular wood that you see here with a couple layers of varnish to give it a little bit of a shine, as you can see. So the first step in making something like this here is actually getting the pine and using the laser machine behind me here to laser engrave and cut it out. If you notice during the video, you'll see that you don't see really a lot of grain on the wood. The reason for that is for masking. The masking just saves me a lot of sanding. Sometimes I use it, sometimes I don't. When it comes to pine, pine is a really easy material to sand. So in just this case here, I happen to use the masking. Now what the masking does is you have a laser cutting and engraving on the surface here. And the problem is all of this vaporized wood shoots up and then settles back down on the material in the shape of smoke, resin, and other kind of sticky things. Sanding it off is pretty straightforward and it's actually quite easy, but it is a little bit extra work. So sometimes what I do if I have something highly detailed like this here and I don't want to sand too much, it's just easier to use masking on the surface so that all of those resins and vaporized wood set on the masking. I remove the masking and I have a pretty clear surface to work from. So when it comes to novelty awards, corporate awards, trophies, whatever you want, CNCKing.com can make it to you at any spec using any material. What it really helps is if you have some sort of design idea ahead of time, and then you say, well, my budget range is this much for these many units, and then it's pretty straightforward for us to go about choosing the best material to fit that application. So again, any size, any shape, any material, any thickness, any kind of special features you want in your corporate award, we can make it here custom for you in the shop. And the nice thing about a custom award is nobody's really seen that before, so it has a lot more value than the generic glass awards that you've been seeing for the last 40 years in most offices. So if you don't want a custom corporate award, contact me at CNCKing.com.